Hi everyone. All right, so today we are going to do some subtraction. All right, let's start this off. All right, so the first problem we are going to do is 32 minus 28. So we're going to set up these numbers. We're going to set them up like so. So you have your ones column. All these numbers are put in a row. I put in a column, sorry. And you have the tens column, and these numbers are put together as well, as you can see. So now we're going to subtract them. So 2 is less than 8. So we're looking at the top number first, and we start from the right. So this number on the top here is what we look at. And we see that it's 2 minus 8. Well, 2 is less than 8, so we have to do something. So in order to do that, we have to cross this out. And this now becomes a 12 because we put the 1 here. So now it can be subtracted. It's the only reason why we do that. So whenever you see a number that is less than the bottom number, this one, then you need to add 10 to it. So you cross this out, put a 1 here, and now it says 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8, we're going to start at 12. All right? And we're going to subtract 8. All right, so we have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 here. So we know we stop at 4, and we know the answer is 4. All right. Now, because we made this 12, we added 10 here. Because we made this 12, we then have to take off 1 from this number, only 1. So this now becomes 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So our answer is 4. All right, we're going to move on to the next question. 69 minus 48. All right, so 9 minus 8. All right, so we're going to start at 9, and we're going to subtract 8. All right, so 8, so we subtracted 1, that's what this thumb represents. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we have 8, and we were supposed to subtract 8. So we know that we stopped there. We know the answer is 1. For that column at least, not the total answer. All right, next we go over to this column. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, we take the 6 and we subtract 4. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, and 2. So there's 4 fingers. We only had to subtract 4. So we know we're there. So we know the answer is 2. So our total answer is 21. All right. Cool. All right. Next question. We're going to go to 48 minus 23. All right, so 8 minus 3. So we're going to start at 8, subtract 3. All right, So we have 7, 6, 5. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 subtracted, and we needed to subtract 3. So we know we stopped there, so we know the answer is 5 for that column. Then we move on to the next column, 4 minus 2. Okay, so 4 minus 2, we start at 4, subtract 2. So we got to count downwards. So 3, 2. So we're at the 2. We subtracted 2, and that's all we needed to subtract. So we know that it's 2. So our total answer is 25. 25 is our total answer. All right, now we'll go to the next one. 70 minus 25. All right, so we look at the top here and we see that 0 is less than 5. So we need to do something about it. So, like I said, we have to add the 10. So we cross this out, becomes 10. So 10 minus 5, so we're starting at 10, subtract 5. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we subtracted 5, and all we had to do was subtract 5. So we know the answer is 5. Next, we have to, because we made this 10, we have to now take away 1 from this number because it's the final column. Whenever you're in the final column and you've added 10 to a previous number, you always have to take away 1 from this final column. So as a result, you take away 1, it is now 6. So 6 minus 2, all right, so we start at 6, subtract 2. So 5, 4. So we subtracted 2, and all we needed was 2. So we know we stopped there, so we know it's 4. So now we have our total. So our total is 45. All right. So we're going to go on to the next problem. So now we're going to do 83 minus 54. All right. Again, so we start here. We look and see that the top number is less than the bottom. So we have to do something about that again. As a result, we have to add 10. So we place a 1 here, and then it becomes 13 minus 4. Now, we start from 13 and subtract 4. All right? So we have 10, 9, 8. Wait, sorry. Wrong. So we're starting from 13. Sorry. All right. So it's okay to be wrong. Doesn't matter. That's the whole part of learning. So you're gonna have mistakes when you're learning. So don't ever be upset about that or frustrated, because mistakes are a part of the learning process. It's a natural part of life. It's part of being human. All right, so we're going to start from 13, subtract 4. So we're going to go 12, 11, 10, 9. We have 4 fingers. We only had to subtract 4. So we know that the number is 9, and we must stop there. So it's 9. You take away 1, because like I said, we added that 10 here. You have to do something to the next number as a result. So it's take away 1, and it becomes 7. So 7 minus 5 is So we start from 7, and we subtract 5. So 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. So we have 5 fingers here, and that's what we needed, was 5. So that matches. So we know that the number is 2. All right, so our final answer is 29. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend or day, whatever you're watching it on. So take care, all right, guys? Bye.